And next we're going to use a normal drywall saw. And I'm going to start where I cut with the utility knife so you can see. Now I'm pushing into a stud, so I know that I'm hitting something because it's not wanting to go in. So if I move over a little bit, notice how it goes on through the wall. So that's telling me now that behind this patch, I'm going to have a stud right here. So we're going to use some techniques that's going to get us past that stud much easier than this normal drywall. This drywall saw is quick, but if you look at the floor, I'm putting a lot of dust on the floor. It takes a lot of drywall material out of the wall as you're cutting because it's a big, thick blade. But always remember, at the end, Easy Pro Texture for your texturing and all of your texture product needs.
Hey, click here to watch videos on our other products and other instructional videos and how to use them.